This is Alex from Accessories International, and we're here at the 2025 EICMA convention in Milan, Italy. And this is the 2026 CFMOTO 1000MT-X. This is a new release, and it's a big step forward for CFMOTO and their new flagship in the adventure class. Now, the model we're looking at here is the Zephyr blue color, but you also have another option of tactical green. Now, the bike itself includes a parallel twin engine producing about 111 horsepower and 70 foot-pounds of torque, which is going to give it great performance, really standing toe-to-toe with other bikes from KTM, BMW, and Yamaha. Now, the bike here uses real premium components. You get a KYB fully adjustable suspension, Brembo brakes, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel setup, and a 22.5-liter fuel tank. As for the electronics, you get all of the latest cornering ABS, traction control, different riding modes, and a TFT display, which is loaded up with tons of connectivity features. And the second configuration here of the 1000MT-X was actually made specifically for EICMA. This is just to show how the 1000MT-X can be personalized. Here you had some bronze forks and wheels, satin gray engine covers, frame protectors, magnetic swing arm covers. This one has just been loaded up to give riders an idea of what you can do with the bike to really make it yours. And as for the accessories, protection parts, luggage systems, exhaust upgrades, all of that is actually being developed as we speak. We're going to have them all ready to go at accessoryinternational.com as soon as possible. So if you're interested in the 1000MT-X CFMOTO, head over to the site and get the bike upgraded. If you have any questions for us, call us 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.